Good? Good choice for a rainy day.
Sometimes I get very emotional when I talk about my son.
With Mr. Hope. Tiger, first can I see you swing? Maybe we'll try the driver first. Hit that ball.
I also got Korean groceries delivered today. So let's see what we have. This is soybean paste. And I've tried multiple brands, but I really like this brand the best. So got another one because we're out of it. Trying these Japanese ramen. This is mooli or radish. It's really hard to get a hold of this, but it's used widely in Korean cuisine. So I ordered this from the Korean market. Also tofu. A different type of tofu. This is one of my favorite snacks. It's just roasted chestnuts and it's really good. We love this one, it's really good. It's very chocolatey. This is another snack. It's like Jell-O, but orange flavored. My friend told me this was really good, so I wanted to try out the marinade. It's marinade for chicken. And this is garlic stems, another ingredient that's really hard to get at a normal grocery store, but they have it at Asian markets and we really like it. And this is sweet rice. I think this is like a pre-made jokbal. I actually never tried it before, so wanted to try it, so I ordered it. Let's see if I can do this by one hand. Can you see it? I'm excited to try it. Maybe we'll try it for dinner tomorrow. Another staple in our household when I'm lazy and we don't have rice at home or pre-made rice at home. These are microwave rice and they're actually really, really good. So Ryan loves them. So I got 2 packs of them. What else do I have? Oh. Here, perilla leaves or sesame leaves. I really like them, but Ryan's not a big fan, but it's all good. soybean sprouts, another ingredient that's not easy to find at a normal grocery store here, but you can get them at Asian markets. So this is perilla oil. I actually never used this before, but was very curious about it, so I got a small bottle of it. I usually only use sesame oil, but I wonder how they're different. And this is mirin or rice wine. It's good when you're cooking any type of meat to get rid of that meat smell. And I'm out of it, so I ordered another one. I actually have not been using rubber gloves when doing the dishes, but I feel like my hands are getting really dry. So they sold them, so I just got one here. They also started selling meats, which is great. So I have, this is boneless ribs, and here we have ribeye. Got another one of these, which is for making dumplings. There are the dumpling skins. And finally, I got this, which is frozen, but you can put it in the oven to heat it up. It's pan-fried and wrapped vermicelli and seaweed. So these are really good when you eat it as a side dish.